keep on watching so that you can see me take out my braids and achieve this hair. Okay, so I have 12 braids in right now, 6 on this side, 6 on this side, and I'm about to take them out so that I can see how the wave pattern looks. You know, this is the style that I put my hair in before I actually showcase my mermaid waves. There's another video on our channel where I actually show you how my hair looks in the mermaid waves for about 7 or 8 days, so that's really awesome. Make sure you subscribe, like, and definitely comment. So we're gonna just start one by one, taking out each individual braid. So yeah, today is, let me see, today is Tuesday, and I braided my hair in these 12 braids on Sunday. So right now my hair is fully dry. I didn't sit under the dryer or anything like that. I just braided my hair in these braids, and I basically just let my hair air dry. Oh, and you know what? I'll tell you a little secret. Overnight, this is how let me show you how I elongate my braids. So when I put my headscarf on, this is what I do. Watch this. So I just put the hair in 2 different sections, and I cross the hair over like this. I pull just a little bit, just a little tension, not much. And this really helps elongate the braids because I do not want shrinkage when I go to take the braids out. You know what I'm saying, girl? So I go like this, right? I just wrap the braids around like this, and then I pin the ends down with clips, just like this. So then I put my headscarf on. So that's what I do when I sleep with this style overnight, so that the braids don't shrink, and so that my hair is stretched out. So that's just awesome. And when I take the braids out, I just make sure that I'm super careful not to mess up the wave pattern. And also, I must say that when I'm braiding, I make sure, or I do my best to make sure that the top is as flat as it can be. Sometimes I fix my baby hair, like I'll style my baby hair while I'm, like, after I braid my hair, but I just realized that even when I put the headscarf on afterwards, my baby hair is just messed up. So who knows if I'll style my baby hair. Maybe we can do that in another video, because I have a new way that I like to style my baby hair now, and it's really dramatic. But I receive so many compliments when I wear my hair like that. Like my baby hair styled the way that I've been styling it for like the past 2 weeks, but who knows if I'll actually style it like that today. But either way, we shall see. So it's very possible that I might just speed this part up. You know, like just speed the next parts up. Okay, so that's one side completely out. Okay, so you can see. So literally a before and after. Just like that. One more left. Okay, all done. All done. So let's see what we have here. It's really not that much to style. Like I said, I could go in and like really lay down my baby hair, but I don't know if I want to do that. It's totally fine without doing so. Yeah, but as you can see, it is very devolumized right now. Like when I first take my braids out, the hair is very devolumized, and I definitely do not fluff it with a comb or anything like that, because it just becomes more volumized as the days progress, and that's exactly what I love. You know, over time, there's a little bit more character, which is really nice, but I'm not gonna lie, I still love the really sleek mermaid wave look. Like, let me move back. I really like the sleek mermaid wave look, because right now it's really sleek, and that's why I made sure when I actually braided the braids that I braided the braids as, you know, as close to my scalp as possible. So that's awesome. So right now what I'm doing is just kind of running my fingers through the back so that the middle part isn't present. We need that middle part to be invisible without, you know, fluffing up the back too much. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'll turn to the side so that you can see. Okay. Oh, did my lighting just leave? Okay, and then I'll turn to the other side. So this is the finished look, just like that. I'll bring the hair to the front so that you can really see the hair in its full glory. Because you know what, you couldn't really see it when it was back like that, right? You couldn't really see it. So this is the finished look, and this is the finished look, my darlings.